late at night and you are staring at your screen. You have an idea, a brilliant one, but the moment you start working on it, reality hits. The script taking too long, the editing a nightmare, the voiceover sounds awkward. Meanwhile, others are pumping out content daily, growing their audience and making it look like effortless. What's the secret? It's not a skill, it's not a luck, it's AI. Today, I'm about to show you the tools that top creators are secretly using to save hours of work while making next level content. And trust me, once you see these tools, you will never go back. Content creation is no longer just about talent and hard work, it's about using the right tool. With AI evolving at lightning speed, creators who adapt will thrive, while those who resist will fall behind. This is not another list of AI tools, this is your ultimate guide to streamlining your workflow, supercharging your creativity, and making content creation effortless. Today, what we are going to cover: best AI tools for script writing and content generation, AI voiceover generators that sound human, AI tools for image and video generation, AI powered video editing and automation tools, thumbnail and graphic design tools powered by AI, and the last one, the ultimate all-in-one AI tool for content creation. By the end of this video, you won't just know about these tools, you will understand how to use them to transform your content game forever. Let's be honest, writing takes time. Sometimes you are stuck at staring a blank page for hours. That's where ChatGPT, Cloud AI, and Copy.ai come in. These are not just AI chatbots, they are your personal content assistants. ChatGPT excels at brainstorming and generating ideas quickly. It can help you to come up with engaging topics and structure your content. While Cloud AI understands long-form storytelling and creates well-structured scripts that flow naturally, it's perfect for creating detailed articles, creating blogs, and even books. On the other hand, Copy.ai specializes in short, engaging content that's great for marketing and social media. It can generate catchy headlines, social media posts, and add copy in seconds. But I had a question: AI writing can sound robotic. Let's test it. I'll type a prompt, write an engaging YouTube intro about AI tools for creators, and in seconds, here's what we get. That's impressive, but it might like a personal touch. Like, I'll tweak a AI response and make it more human. See the difference? AI gives you the foundation, you add the magic. By adding your unique style, you can turn a script into a good one. Have you ever tried using AI for writing? Share your experience in comments. ChatGPT, Cloud AI, and Copy.ai all offers the free versions. You can use them freely, and it offers a premium subscriptions options for advanced features. If you want to try it, go for it. Now we had tackled script writing. Let's move on to the other crucial aspect of a content creation: voiceovers. Imagine having a voice that sounds so real, it's almost indistinguishable from a human. This can make your content more engaging and professional. Ever heard an AI voice so real? You thought it was a human. Voiceovers are essential for adding a professional touch to your video, but recording high quality content can be challenging and time consuming. So Morph AI and 11 Labs create voices with emotions and natural tone changes. Morph AI is perfect for professional narrations, e-learning, and corporate videos. It offers a wide range of voices and accents, making it versatile for different types of content. 11 Lab is advanced enough to clone your voice with stunning accuracy. This means you can create voiceovers that sound just like you without having to record a single word. Listen to these two clips. One is AI and other one is a real.
Content creation is no longer just about talent and hard work. It's about using the right tools.
Content creation is no longer just about talent and hard work. It's about using the right tools.
Can you tell me which one was a real one? So these tools can produce voiceovers that are nearly indistinguishable from a human voices. Morph AI and 11 Labs both offer free version with the premium subscriptions for more advanced features. Now our voiceover is sorted. Let's dive into the visual side of things. Like, creating stunning images and videos can be a game changer for your content. What if you could bring your vision to life with just a few words? This is where AI tools for image and video generation come into play. Imagine you have a perfect idea for an image or a video, but you lack the skills to bring it to life. You spend hours searching for stock images or struggling with the design tools. Now, what if you could just describe it and AI would create it for you? This is the power of AI image and video generation tools. Leonardo.ai is ideal for creating detailed concept art, illustrations, and videos. It's perfect for artists, designers, and content creations who need high quality visuals quickly. Del E, developed by OpenAI, generates unique images from text prompts prompts. You can describe any scene and DALL-E will bring it to life with stunning accuracy. Midjourney is known for high quality artist images from descriptions. It's great for creating visually striking content that stands out. Okay, watch. I'll type a prompt in a Leonardo.ai, a futuristic city skyline at sunset. Here we go. In just few seconds, Leonardo.ai bring it to life. These results are not only quick but also incredibly detailed and creative. The level of detail and creativity is awesome, and it only took few seconds. So these tools can save your hours of work and help you create visuals that captures your audience attention. What would you create with these tools? Let me know in the comments. Leonardo.ai, DALL-E 2 and Midjourney all offers free versions with a premium subscription options for more advanced features, so you can try them. You got a script, voiceover and stunning visuals. The next thing is editing. Editing can take hours unless you have the right tool. AI video editing tools can help you streamline the process and create professional quality videos quickly. Pictory turns text into the videos by automatically selecting relevant stock footage. It's perfect for creating explainer videos, tutorials, and marketing content. Runway ML adds stunning AI generated effects to your videos. It's great for adding creative touches and making your videos stand out. Descript lets edit your video like a text document. Delete words and it edits the video for you. It also offers voiceover cloning, so you can make changes to your voiceover without re-recording. Watch this. I'll paste the script into the Pictory and boom, instant video. This process is a quick and easy, saving your valuable time. Have you tried any of these tools? And let me know in the comments. Pictory, Runway ML, and Descript all offers free versions, but if you want to access the advanced features, they had a premium subscriptions. Editing is a crucial, but is making sure your content get noticed. Thumbnails and graphics play a huge role in attracting viewers. Let's see how AI can help with that. A captivating thumbnail can make all the difference. First impression matters. A bad thumbnail means no clicks, no views. Thumbnails and graphics are essential for grabbing your audience attention and encouraging them to click on your content. Adobe Firefly generates high quality images from text prompts. It's perfect for creating custom thumbnails, social media graphics, and more. You simply describe what you need and Firefly bring it to life with stunning details and creativity. Canva AI designs eye-catching thumbnails in seconds. It offers a wide range of templates and design elements, making it easy to create professional quality graphics without any design skills. So you can customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand. So let's type futuristic thumbnail into the Firefly and there it is. An AI generated masterpiece is here. The process is quick and the results are impressive. Imagine never struggling with the design again. With these tools, you can create visually appealing graphics that stand out and attract more viewers. What's the most challenging part of creating thumbnails for you? Let me know. Adobe Firefly and Canva both offer the free variant, but for the advanced features you must have to buy the subscription. We covered a lot of ground, but what if there was a tool that would handle everything? Every creator dreams of a tool that handles everything, like scripting, editing, voiceovers, and generating different graphics. So here what we had a Capwing. Capwing does it all. AI-powered video editing, subtitles, text-to-speech, and even script generation. You can create a full video without touching complex software. It's perfect for creators who want to streamline their workflow and produce high-quality content quickly. I'll drop a script in a Capwing, and in seconds, it generates a ready-to-go video with the animation and effects.
It's late at night, and you're staring at your screen. You have an idea, a brilliant one. But the moment you start working on it, reality hits.
The tool simplifies entire content creation process. It's like having an entire production team at your fingertips. Capwing was awesome while I was using, so try it and let me know how it feels. Capwing offers the free versions with the premium subscriptions options for more advanced features. We explored some incredible AI tools today. Each one was a game changer in its own. But remember, the real magic happens when you start using them. Imagine the time you will save, the creativity you will unleash, and the audience you will grow. So what are you waiting for? Dive in, experiment, and and let these tools transform your content creation process forever. Whether you are a seasoned creator or are just starting out, these tools can help you achieve your goals faster and more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to CodeWiz Lab. I'm here to bring the latest tips, tools, and insights to elevate your future. If you have any questions or need further guidance, drop a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Until then, see you in the next video.